A quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal is called a rhombus. Now, one of the property of the rhombus which we are going to use while solving the problem is diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector means the diagonals divide one another equally at right angle. Area of the rhombus is half into product of the length of the diagonals. So let us start with practice set 15.2. Question number 1. Length of the diagonals of a rhombus are 15 cm and 24 cm. Find its area. Length of the diagonals are already given 15 cm and 24 cm. Now we know that area of a rhombus is half into product of the length of the diagonal. Product means multiplication. Half into length of the diagonal is 15 cm and 24 cm. 15 into 24. 1 time, 12 time. 15 into 12 is 180. And since we are finding the area of a rhombus, area unit is square centimeter. So the area of the rhombus is 180 square centimeter. Question number 3. If perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter and the length of one of the diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of the quadrilateral? Since name of the quadrilateral is not given, so let us take the quadrilateral as, let quadrilateral A, B, C, D be the rhombus. Length of one diagonal is 48 centimeter. So let us take length of AC as 48 centimeter. Now we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. So that means BD divide diagonal AC into two equal parts. Or we can say that AC is equal to AE plus EC, but this is equal to AE plus AE because AE is same as EC. The reason is diagonals bisect each other. So this is same as 2 times AE. But AC we know it's equal to 48. So therefore AE is equal to 48 divided by 2, that is 24 centimeter. So length of AE is equal to 24 centimeter. AE is equal to 24 centimeter. Also perimeter is given. Perimeter of a rhombus is AD plus DC plus BC plus AB. But since all the four sides are equal, we can say that perimeter is equal to 4 AD. 4 times AD. Because all the four sides are equal, so AD plus AD plus AD plus AD gives 4 times AD. But perimeter is given, perimeter is 100. 100 is equal to 4 into AD. So therefore, AD is equal to 100 divided by 4, that is 25 centimeter. So AD is equal to 25 centimeter. Now angle AED is 90 degree, because diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So in triangle AED, angle AED is equal to 90 degree. The reason is diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonals are perpendicular . So here we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of DE. Now Pythagoras theorem is AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Pythagoras theorem. Substitute the value. AD is 25 and AE is 24. 25 square is equal to 24 square plus DE square. Therefore, DE square is equal to 25 square minus 24 square, and this is equal to 25 square is 625 minus 24 square is 576. Therefore, DE square is equal to 625 minus 576 is 49. And therefore, DE is equal to root of 49. Root of 49 is plus minus 7. But since DE is the length of a side, the length cannot be negative, and therefore DE is equal to 7 centimeter. So DE is 7 centimeter. But we know that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. So by using the same step, we can say that DE is half of BD. The reason is diagonals bisect each other. So BD is DE plus EB, but DE is same as EB. So 2 times ED, and using the same step that I applied here, I'll get DE is equal to half of BD. But DE is 7 into half of BD. So therefore, BD is equal to 7 into 2, that is 14 centimeter. So we get length of one diagonal as 48 centimeter and length of the other diagonal as 14 centimeter. So now we can find the area by using the formula. Area of a rhombus is half into product of the diagonal, that is half into diagonals are AC into BD. Half into AC is given 48 into BD is 14. 1 time, 7 time, and 48 into 7 is 336 square centimeter. So with the help of the perimeter and length of one diagonal, we are able to find the area of a rhombus. One diagonal is given and we know that diagonal bisect each other. So AC is equal to AE plus EC. But since AE is same as EC, the reason is diagonal bisect each other. This gives us 2 times AE. So AE is equal to 48 by 2, or we can say it is half of AC. Substitute the value of AC. So we get AE as 24. With the help of perimeter, using the formula of perimeter, we are able to find the length of the side, that is 25 centimeter. Now since diagonals are perpendicular to each other, angle AED is 90 degree. We got AE, AD. So using Pythagoras theorem, DE is 7 centimeter. And since by using the same method, we can say that DE is half of BD. This is because diagonal bisect each other. Using the same step. So with this we get BD as 14 centimeter. Now area of the rhombus is half into product of the diagonal. So using the formula, we get that area of a rhombus is 336 square centimeter.